I spilled poppers up my nose and it burns and my nose won't stop running. What should I do?
First, can you describe to me what a popper is?
Amyl nitrite.
Do you have any saline solution?
No.
Do you have baking soda?
No. Not very helpful, am I?
Okay, first off, irrigate with a copious amount of tap water.
How? By pouring water in my nostril?
That is correct. Tilt your head back, hold your breath and pour into each nostril. A squeeze bottle will be better if you have one though.
Is that it, or should I do anything else? You said first off.
Since you don't have sodium bicarbonate to buffer the nitrous acid you made in your nostrils, this will have to do.
I'll try that.
You should feel better after a while. Thank you for the consult. How do you feel this morning? Thank you.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.